In the last section, we had a very long discussion about the existence of VPCs and how security groups are used with them. So we're now going to start to create our RDS service that's going to be essentially a managed version of Postgres. And then if we have enough time, we'll do our Redis instance inside of Elasticache as well. So to get started, I'll flip back over to my AWS dashboard. I'm going to make sure that I'm still inside the same region as my Elastic Beanstalk instance that I already created. And then on the services drop down at the top, I'll do a search for RDS. Again, that stands for Relational Database Service. All right, so once over here, you'll see like a ton of different pop-ups, a whole bunch of different stuff going on. If you see this kind of notification or anything like that, you can just close it at the top. And then we'll scroll down a little bit and find a section marked as Create Database, which is of course what we definitely want to do. So I'm going to click on Create Database. We then have to select the type of database that we want to create. So we can make a MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server. You could do Amazon Aura, which is a fork, I believe, of MySQL, specifically customized for AWS. But of course, for you and me, we want to make a Postgres instance. So I'll select Postgres over here. And then you get your little marketing spiel down here. I do recommend that you check this box down here to enable only options for free tier usage. Now, again, if your AWS account is over 1 year old, you do not qualify for free usage tier. You will see this option right here, even if you do not qualify for free usage. So my AWS account is many, many, many years old. I do not qualify for the free usage tier, but I still see the checkbox right here. I'll click Next on the bottom right. And then we get asked to enter in a couple of details. So if you wanted to change the default version used, you could do it right here, but the default version is totally appropriate for us. You can then go a little bit lower and find DB instance class. Because we checked the only enable options eligible for free usage tier, the only class that we get is this T2 micro, which is essentially a